These are square whisker frames. I'm going to show you how to replace the lenses. So first thing you're going to do is make sure that your frame is sitting upside down on a solid surface. Next, you're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and you're going to loosen one of the screws that's located on the bridge of the nose piece. So you take it and you only loosen it. No, you don't need to unscrew it completely. Next, you just take apart the frame and you push out the lens. This should be fairly easy. Now, to replace the lens or to reinstall it, you just line up the edges of the lens with all the grooves of the frame. Just make sure it's in there securely. Hold it with one hand to make sure it's secure and just tighten up the screw. Just like that. And that's it.